Oh, is that your power washer? Mine might be more powerful. So we're doing a little unboxing on a power washer. What's this thing, big mount?
This is a wash, like a, you can use for car washes.
Oh, I see. It's for soap. You put soap in it and a soap. Now I have TSP at home, and that's what's used for washing the houses. Do you have soap for washing a house?
No, I was just going to use this.
Okay, so I can bring you TSP. Snow foam auto wash. That's weird. And you said that one's, it says electric on it. It's not gas, baby girl. Electric right there. But that's your own, so I'm happy with it. 1900 psi. That'll wash up a house. So what chemical do you have to foam on the house right now?
This.
Oh.
That will go in this.
Let's do this spot that's low.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
And I'm going to cut a tree down while you do that spot.
Sounds great.
Do you want the video on you or on me?
For the unboxing.
Yeah. Oh, are you going to unbox? I'll set up a camera. How fun. I'll let you unbox it all by yourself. Hold on.
Yes,
So,
but
I just chose Ryobi because I have Ryobi. So, you know, you'll always find somebody who doesn't like anything. But out of all the Ryobi tools I bought, I only burned up one, which was a reciprocal saw cutting through that Connex after 10 years. All right. I'm convinced Ryobi are great tools.
Yeah.
I mean, there might be better tools, but for me, and standardizing on a particular tool just makes it a lot easier, right? Oh, I don't even have to think or debate. I know that this one. So that's why I went with Ryobi. So my stand-up one might do more than 1900 psi, but when you go super high, you can actually blast like the mortar out between the cracks.
Yeah,
so this is probably the right one, and it's a little small.
And it does have
Look,
soap
it did have a soap thing.
Mm-hmm.
So it's already all built. Wow. Now in here was a nozzle, and there's another. So what these nozzles do is one, see, they're different pitch. So like that one might be a fan that wide, and this one might be pinpoint, I don't know. So they gave you a couple of different nozzles. But, and then you'll run your hose right into it. And then this is your gun, so you know you have enough room. But I say wash that. I'll set up the video so that you can look at that while you wash it.
Not much of an unboxing, huh?
That was such an easy unboxing. You know, nothing to put together is the right answer. Yeah. And I mean, we have some things to screw in, right?
Yeah.
So look, right here is where your ports go for those nozzles. So it's very instinctive, right?
Very nice.
And then this thing, and I'm going to guess this is the pinpoint, and those are like a fan.
Mm-hmm.
And you put a different nozzle in based on what you want to accomplish.
And I wonder if I should even mess with this then to
I think you could take that back since you have a soaker here, right?
Yeah.
And look, do the buttons allow you to soap? It doesn't really, does it? Starting instructions. Oh, look, they have low pressure soap. They tell you how to do it with what nozzle to use.
The turbo or the yellow one. So
high pressure, no soap. So those won't suck soap. So if you have the black one or the 15-degree one, it won't. But if you have the 30-degree one, it will soap. So this one, blue, goes with blue. Yellow goes with yellow. So those two don't soap. This one does.
And then I could just switch in between.
And then you don't have to do anything. You'll fill this up according to your instructions.
Mm-hmm.
So you could take that other doodad back, is my opinion.
Yes, I will. That was expensive.
Was it expensive?
$100.
$100? Really? $100?
Yeah, I was going to take it back anyways. I didn't realize until I checked out.
No, now you don't need it. You know, it's silly. I only have one Red's Apple Ale, and I'm definitely, sincerely buzzed.
No, they're strong. They're, and honestly,
oh, that's for the hose. That's why I'm struggling. All right.
Here's my gun, right?
Alright, so there's the gun. Well, this is the easiest unboxing on earth, man. Just figuring out everything was the hard part. So listen, gun in there, that's pretty obvious, right? And I don't normally midweek drink, but I had a Red's Apple Ale, and I definitely need it to percolate out of me. I see the O-rings are in it already. And she could take back, she doesn't need this. She said it was $100 for the soaper, but the unit came with the soaper. Alright. So the back of it is the hose, and the front of it has a little rubber cap. Nice to work with my daughter 1 day a week. How many days? We work 1 or 2 days a week together, don't we?
Yeah, probably at least once a week. Just need a little bit more sometimes.
So when you first start it up, you know, it'll make a lot of noise. Well, it's pumping the water, but it'll get there. Let's go ahead and set it up over here. We're going to do this part of the house first. Hoping that you're far enough away that... All right.
There we go.
Now, I didn't read the instructions on the, you know, on the soap, so you'll have to read the instructions. And
What do you
it says
think,
no
Rick?
bleach. It says never use bleach.
That's what
So whatever the mixture is that they want for the soap, if they want you to cut it, or can you pour it straight in? Hey, this isn't the same fitting, is it? No, not my book. Yeah. And are you going to soap it first? Or did you want to go straight into washing?
I think I'll do a quick, just get it wet, do a quick rinse now.
You know, do the 15-degree one. And these just, this collar just pulls back like that.
Like an air compressor.
Exactly, an air compressor. It's the same fitting. So then you pull the trigger. You're doing it. Let's get some water into it.
Yeah.
Is your
Water
hose
is
on?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it is? Okay, flip it. Flip your water. Oh, okay, so that's what I do. I always make sure water comes through first. Now when you turn it on, it won't be dry firing. Go ahead and turn it on. Ready?
Oh, it's not plugged in?
Oh, it's not plugged in.
Neither one of us did it. I thought you did it and you thought I did it. Alrighty, let's see.
Well, you talked about having an outlet nearby. Well, right there's one. Just be careful you don't electrocute yourself.
Alrighty, we're good.
It's on?
Yep.
All right.
Now.
Push the button.
Alright,
Hey,
now
you
we
want the first on? Here.
got all.
There you go. There's a little toad right here. It's on. See him? Don't hurt him. That will kill him if you hit him with that, right? It'll skin him.
Yeah. we don't- I'm gonna get everything wet really, and then I'm gonna wash
Yeah.
with soap. You know, it's pretty so gratifying to see it all cleaned off.
Yeah. You'll see it the way it was when it was filled.
Oh, you told me to watch out for them, and I almost got them.
Yeah, I see that wash buzzing around. I hope you get him.
No, the little soapy.
Oh, yeah. You did really have to watch out.
Hey, babies. Here you love. Oh, squash. Get your fruit. Let's go over here. Oh, quick.
Show him to the camera so everybody can appreciate the toad.
The toad. Little
take
guy.
him too far away because he'll want to come back. This is his home.
I was gonna put him right there in that bush. Is that fine?
Yeah, I think so. He can find his way from there, right?
Yeah.
And if he can't, well, he's too dumb.
I'm sure he'll be happy.
He's a big toad. He's been around. He's seen some things. Okay, so walk out with your gun and uncoil it. You know what I mean? Look behind you, unspin it while you go. You gotta go against you just spin it. All you need to do is spin the gun.
It will unspin it? Oh, okay, there it goes.
You give it one or two more after that, then it should be good. All right, well, I'll catch you, and then I'll catch me cutting some timber. So we'll get you.
Oh, this is a nice day earlier when it was 202 degrees.
Yeah. I'm going to focus on a little spot, clean it up with a little spot. Let's see if it's enough energy. All right, Des, I'm focused on right under the window.
Right under the window?
Pick some of those bricks, like 3 of them, and wash them so people can see. Like that one, and that one.
Those 3?
Yeah.
Then we can use our soap too.
Yeah, then add your soap. I mean, immediately a whole different house shows up, right? Wow. And that's even without soap.
Yeah.
No, it's not. The pointy one's the strongest one. But be careful of getting in the grout. You don't want to etch the grout.
No,
But I mean, immediately a new house. So I would think just add the soap in per instructions. No bleach, it says.
Yeah, no.
Put on the blue nozzle, and then you saw how they snap, right?
Yeah, you can
It just
pull
pulls down. Yeah, there you go.
Alright, let's do this. And then I guess because this nozzle is directly made for the soap,